Hello everybody, this is Eran Reiser with REI by Zipcode. I would like to present you another great multifamily opportunity in the city of Daytona Beach. Daytona Beach located 20 to 30 minutes from the amazing metropolitan of Orlando area and the theme park, as you're aware of. And Daytona Beach is very known by our beautiful beaches. Now let's start. The address is 609 611 Mulberry Street in Daytona Beach. As you can see, these are very old photos until we have accurate photos from 2016. It was renovated, talking about two buildings, the one in the front and the one in the back. As you can see here, this is the one in the back. Great livable condition. Now, based on the owner, it's supposed to be vacant, which is a great bonus for you guys, so you can choose your own tenants, screen them, and find the best tenant you can. The owner mentions that the bathroom are replumbed, new AC, new kitchen, the AC new to be installed with split units. The property layouts, it's 4 units total, two units in each building. In the main house, it's a 131, and then you have also 221s and 111s total in the whole building. The square footage will be altogether about 2,500 square foot. And let's see where it's located at. As you can see here, this is our address over here. This is where we're located at. Now, it's probably 5 to 6 minutes away from the beach access, surrounded by a lot of restaurants, hotels, and we are also very close to the historic district of Daytona. And we have a short commute here to the public school. And we are also 5-10 minutes away from the FSU College of Medicine in Daytona. So we have a great location, easy commute to the beach, to the Halifax River, to schools, to the colleges, and you have also surrounded by some parks in the area as well. And so it's definitely a very central location in Daytona Beach, easy commute to all the amenities that the city have to offer. Now let's go to the analysis. Let's start with the cash model. So the purchase price is $250. We did stabilized market value based on 9%, which is super conservative because actually at the high projected it's going to be 8%. So we go with the conservative approach. Estimate renovation based on the fact that the owner claims he renovated, so you put even extra caution, $7,000 a unit to add for some upgrades. So it's $28,000 of renovation. The monthly rent, based on our experience in the area and our findings, going to be about $3,700. It can be also close to $4,000, but again, we're using the conservative approach. The vacancy 5%. The property tax right now is super low, which is great. It's $1,200 and a change, but we did actually $4,000 just to be super cautious. And we took the management and the reserve, and even after we've been very aggressive on the conservative approach, we're still over 11% net cap rate, which is very high for today's market, and for any market it's a great cap rate to get. Now let's go to the most important thing. Again, leverage your money. This is the way you increase your portfolio and increase your cap rate. Now the total investment plus renovation is going to be $278, or money $250 plus $28,000 in repairs if needed. Loan amount going to be 75% of the total investment. Conservative 5%, you can get actually lower, 30 years term, which bring you to NOI after debt of almost 18,000, and pay attention to this number, 26, almost 27% net cap rate. So even if you want to do your calculation and add stuff to the expenses and be even way more aggressive, you're still going to be in a high digit number no matter what. And look what happened, 7% to your value, 441, 6%, 514, 5%, 617. Indicate of a great deal. Please call us for more information. Thank you. Have a great day.